Welcome back! Beauty of Joseon just launched a new toner, which name is Beauty of Joseon Glow Replenishing Rice Milk Toner. The Beauty of Joseon Glow Replenishing Rice Milk Toner promises a nourishing experience for dry and sensitive skin, aiming to deliver a smooth and radiant complexion. Here are my initial thoughts after trying it out. This toner is packed with rice extract and rice amino acids, known for their antioxidant and moisturizing properties. These ingredients deeply hydrate the skin, preventing dehydration and ensuring a healthy glow. Additionally, the toner contains vitamins B and D, panthenol, and a sebum-controlling powder, which work together to replenish the skin and clear its tone. One of the standout features is its unique dual-layer formula, consisting of a moisture layer and a powder layer. This combination not only provides hydration, but also helps in controlling sebum production. It is particularly beneficial for those with red and acne-prone skin, offering extra pore care. The texture of the toner is lightweight and refreshing, making it suitable for use throughout all 4 seasons. It absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a sticky residue, which is a major plus. To use, simply apply a moderate amount onto cleansed skin and gently pat for better absorption. Upon first use, the toner feels incredibly hydrating and soothing. It instantly relieves dryness and gives the skin a subtle, healthy glow. Over time, I noticed that my skin appeared smoother and more radiant. The sebum-controlling properties also seemed to be effective, as my skin felt balanced without any excessive oiliness. Overall, the Beauty of Joseon Glow Replenishing Rice Milk Toner impresses with its blend of nutrient-rich ingredients and innovative dual-layer formula. It's an excellent choice for those looking to hydrate, smooth, and clear their skin, all while keeping sebum production in check. This toner has definitely earned a spot in my skincare routine.